Hello guys, in this video I will have a demo project for you about separating the admin users and non-admin users with different layouts, different routes, because it's a pretty typical question even for our Quick Admin Panel customers. So they are asking us how to create a front page, how to create a front area, because we generate only admin area that you see on the screen. But what if you want to have this in a different browser? I have opened and I log in as a user, and after that login, the design should be different. So that simple users wouldn't even see the admin area or user management or anything like that. They wouldn't even know that the admin area exists. So how to do that in Laravel? And that example is based on our Quick Admin Panel, but in general you can use that example for your projects without Quick Admin Panel. Just take a look how it is all structured and use it yourself. And we will cover 4 parts here. So after generating Quick Admin Panel and after having that logged in admin area, we need to create user area, and we cover 4 things. First, visual layouts. Second, routing. Then default redirect after login, so for user or for admin area. And then additional middleware to protect admin area to be accessed from users. And here's what I've done here. I will open my source tree for Git repository, and I've generated Quick Admin Panel admin panel, and I just pushed it to GitHub. And repository, by the way, is available on GitHub. The link will be also in the description of this video. And then I created a separate commit, separate push with specifically what should be done with user area. So first I created blade files for layouts for user, general user layout. And this is taken from default Laravel UI repository. You can find it here, /Laravel/UI, and then under layouts there are almost everything you need. So app stub, so things typical for this view. It was Laravel make auth until Laravel 7, and then it changed into a separate package, Laravel UI. So this is the design. So I've created that layout user blade, and then separate page user home blade, extending that layout user with a simple static page about hello, dashboard, and you are logged in. In general, in the whole project, we have more layouts. So admin blade is a layout for the admin area, and new user blade is new layout for the user area. So we have those blades. Next step is we need to have a separate controller or a set of controllers if you have more things on user area. And I have a separate subfolder created for that, controllers, users, and then everything under user, which is only one controller in my case, which shows the same user home that I've just shown. And if we take a look at other controllers, again, it's a subfolder. So subfolder for admin, everything related to admin area. And then you just create user area with user controllers. Next step is the routing. So if we open routes web PHP, by default with admin, we have a route group for admin with prefix /admin URL /admin /something with namespace admin for the controllers, and then everything that should be accessed by administrator. And this is a new thing, new route group that I've created with prefix user, namespace user, and only that controller that we have just created. So it's a step-by-step blade, then controller, then route to that controller with a different prefix, different namespace, so totally separated. So see admin everything here and user everything here. And a different middleware, but we will get to that in a minute. Next step is how to redirect to the correct page after successful login. So login page is the same for users and for admin users, but after login, in auth login controller, we can override the default redirect path or redirect URL. So you just create that function in login controller, which should return a string, so where to redirect the user. And if the user is admin, then we redirect to admin home. And remember, admin home is a prefix in routes web, so this one, prefix. And this prefix is for all the routes inside of that group. For user, the prefix is user, and that's why in login controller we redirect to route user.home. And this thing, auth user is admin, depends on your application. So in our Quick Admin Panel, we have user and role system, which is many-to-many relationships, and isAdmin is actually a property. In user PHP model, we have getIsAdmin attribute, which checks the roles. And if there is a role with ID 1, which means admin, then it means it's an admin. In your case, it could be direct a field in your database users is admin or is admin 1 or role ID or something like that. So this can be changed under your circumstances for your project. And we will actually reuse that for a middleware. So how to prevent, final step, how to prevent simple users from accessing the admin area. And we've created a separate middleware with just artisan command php artisan make middleware is admin middleware, and we check if the user is not admin, we abort with forbidden. So this is the middleware class, then it should be registered in app HTTP kernel, and we have a name of admin, and then that name could be used in routes web in the route group with middleware. And the result of all of that, so if I'm logged in as a simple user, I'm trying to access admin, I will get 403, forbidden. And in fact, we have two middlewares here, auth and admin. So if you are not logged in, you will be redirected to login page. But if you are logged in but don't have rights, you're not an admin, then you will get 403 page like this one. And that's it basically. Of course, it's a simplified version, but this is the core how you separate user and admin. And from there, you can work on both parts separately. As usual, the GitHub repo is public and the URL is below and in the description of this video. And of course, if you like to generate the code for the admin panel, check out our quickadminpanel.com generator and try it out. And also, I will remind you that in the yearly plan of that Quick Admin panel, you get the access to all of my courses on Teachable. It's kind of a funny mathematics there, so yearly plan costs $99, and my courses cost $19 each course, and there are 10 courses. So do the math in your head, and I think it's pretty good offer from my end. So check out our Quick Admin panel and see you guys in another video.